Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Blazer Zero here coming with you with a box opening. Well, this one I already had open because I was interested in what it was. And right now my phone is on low battery. So I just kind of want to make this open quick. Just get that out. And it's the latest set. Eternity Code. Whew. Nice and hefty box. I was expecting this on a later date. Because the shipping say was supposed to come in the next 2 weeks. But apparently it came out, it arrived today while I was out. So yeah, that happened. And I have this other one that came on the same day as this one. So yeah, let's open this up. Fun fact, I already had this open. I just put in one of my own in here. So this is mine. This was given to me by a friend, this Pokemon one. Yep, this is the Dragon Majesty. Let's check out the other one. That was given to me by a friend. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a custom playmat of Digimon. Well, for starters, I would have bought this anyways if it wasn't for nostalgia reasons. Yeah. Oh my god. Just looking at this is just making me so amazed of my childhood and what it was back then. So, for me, when I saw the first Digimon movie, your boy Omnimon here was the best one of all. Hands down, Omnimon was the best Royal Knight. Anyways, pack openings. Should I do it? You know what? I'm doing it today either way. Fuck it. Fuck, you can't. Damn it. I was trying to open it with my teeth since I have one hand holding the camera. Ah, shit. Oh, there we go. Got it in. Yes, and I have another box coming in on Tuesday, which is the 9th. And that isn't a Yu-Gi-Oh product. That's actually a Buddy Fight product. Which some of you don't know, I actually play more than one card game, which Yu-Gi-Oh is obviously the main one, because around here that's what people mainly play. But no, I've been playing. I played a little Buddy Fight, and I also have been playing Vanguard. Card Fight Vanguard. Yeah, I also seen some openings of this from Simpy Unlucky, Cyber Knight. Yeah, Cyber Knight and Team Samurai 1X. They have some really amazing pulls from this. Fun fact, in the second pack from Simpy Unlucky, he pulled out a prismatic rare that was $500. So yeah, let's see what I can pull out from here. First pack of the time. New. I know with my luck, I'm not gonna get a prismatic. Raise in a comment. Oh yeah, and this box has no rares. Oh hey, got another one of the other Plunge Patrol. Nice. Kelki. Oh, Nemesis Kunda. Yeah, this is the reason why Colossus got banned. Fuck, focus. Yeah, this card helps out with banishing, cause you know that's Thunder Dragon's all about. Oh yeah, King of Bees Barbos. Yeah, Gundam Barbados is way better. Back-to-back Plunder Patrols, nice. And the new Thunder Support card. Let's keep going on with the right side. Normally I would say the packs, but you know what? Fuck it, I don't care at this point. I'm too tired for this shit. Unchained shit. I'm not gonna say these names because I'm pretty sure just gonna murder them. Oh, and an Agnister card. Nice. Splash Mage. Yeah, most of these are comments, so. And I'm pretty sure some of you have seen openings of this. So I want to know down in the comments what cards you like from this set, or what you are expecting in a new set that can help out your decks. Because what I'm expecting out to pull from this pack is a cover card known as Access Cold Talker, which is high in price right now. Okay? There you go. What the fuck? Look, Oti. I didn't put down those comments. It's a shame that this is not a dragon. What are your name? What's your name? Focus. Anyways. Oh hell no! Yeah, I'm not gonna butcher that name. Fuck that. So nice in the comments. Plunder Patrol. So we got that. Yeah, but there is one fun in every pack, so you're guaranteed a super rare. There's no more rares. Which I'm kind of glad that Konami did that. Deep Sea. Hey, Performance Pals. I didn't know they got support. Red Familiar. And this. And now I got a super, so let me take a while for that to pull up. There we go. Yeah, so I'm doing this video on my old phone because on Monday or Tuesday I'm getting a new one. Since all day today, this phone that I'm using to record right now was acting like shit. I'm not even kidding. I couldn't do anything on it. It froze when I was on YouTube. So AIQ. Oh, hey, what the hell? Yeah, you can all say that. I ain't butchering this shit. But it's a Cyberus in level 5. Yeah, at this point there's some repeats of the comments. So I'm gonna just skip on through that and keep going to the packs. Let's go, as Mario would say. So I pull out one ultra rare. No secrets. Yes. Hopefully this box has some secrets. I swear, if it doesn't, then I'm gonna be pissed. Oh, as soon as I say that, there we go for a secret rare. Focus.
You're a bot. You made us leave.
Huh? Oh, sweet, don't worry.
You're not even tired.
Hey, look at my eyes.
What are you doing?
I'm just doing a video.
Oh.
Alright, so for the right side we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs remaining. So hopefully I can get something better. We got one sticker from the box so far. Not the one I was looking for, but it has the image of Appaloosa, the goddess bow. Which you gotta admit, I pulled one out before I felt like starting a YouTube channel. I'm sorry for the background, the birds and the fans. But anyways, so me and Abyss were at our locals Top Cut, which got looted. But this was before all this shit happened. They were getting out packs for entering. And on my first one, I pulled out Appaloosa. I was not expecting that because I know some of them were just comments, so I decided just to go through the end. And I found Appaloosa and I was amazed. Oh, Mercy support. Link 4. Nice. Can you all tell me in the comments what support this is supposed to go for? I don't know what that's supposed to go for. There's some Link Burst and Nemesis cards. Don't get me wrong, I like pendulums. Ah, fuck. Although the new meta rule doesn't help me out that much with my Odd Eyes deck. For the pendulum cards anyways, but for some of the extra deck, oof. Helps me. Oh yeah, and I've been noticing that prices for Nidafiber, Prayer Plants, Virtua Anaconda, and Union Carrier are going down. But the price for Infinite Permanence is still going up. Well, it is a good hand trap, concern right. Why? Roast Girl. Rose, my bad. I said roast by accident. Oh my, up on super, the arrival. This is for Agnisters. Can I pause the video? You want to read this guy's effects? Yep, so there you go. For all you those who want to know what he does. Alright, the new some Ancient Warrior support. I forgot about these guys. Me and Abyss were planning on building that deck. But we saw that the price for some of those cards were going up, so we decided not to build it. Man, I'm loving this playmat. I can't get my eyes off of it. I don't care about what cards I'm getting. Like, a Seeker may come up next and I'll just be looking at the playmat instead. Nope, this is super. Fuck. This is Plunder Control Ship Shade Shipping. Try saying that 3 times fast. Oh, hello. Salmon Great Zebros X. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Some of the cards are falling to my lap. I got one more pack remaining on the right side. This one is the second. Fuck. There we go. Yep. These packs are way easier to open up than Pokemon. I'm glad that. Well, in the future, I may be opening up some other packs besides these. Because, like I said, I like to play Vanguard and Buddy Fight, so yeah. Oh my fucking god, we got a Link Cross! Oh my god! This is gonna get limited? Or Nidafiber is gonna get... Or some of the combo cards for this and Nidafiber is gonna get banned. Let me put down my phone so I can... There you go. Yeah. So you can pause the video here if you want to read this guy's effects. Goddamn. So yeah, you know what he does is gonna be fucking broken in the meta. Pretty sure some of the combo cards are gonna get banned. Hopefully it's not Nidafiber. Some of the old support cards. Anyway, let's get some of this stuff out. I'm glad there's a recycling bin right next to me. So 2 ultras, 1 secret, a bunch of supers. So let's keep going. Well, almost pause the video. I'm gonna end this video at this pack. Fuck. Focus. There we go. Up we go. Another Agnister card. This is super. More Plunder Patrols. Yep, and that's the video for this. I hope you all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Not content, more videos like this in the near future. Peace.